Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out in the large greenhouse at a small little bed here that we've designed just for our Egyptian walking onions because they're going right next to our potato bed. So this is going to be a pest protection. You can see some of these marigolds here. Those are another great form of pest protection also. They keep a lot of those bugs and they mask the smells. Those sulfurs in the onions really mask the smells and deter pests also. So why do we grow Egyptian walking onions? Well, I'll tell you why. Look at this cluster of onions. So this is all from one little ball. One ball that fell off the top of the Egyptian walking onion. In the middle of summer, all of these heads will get a nice cluster of little onions on top. Instead of going to flower, they will drop down and they will start to grow a new pod. So we left our Egyptian walking onions all summer long to do their thing, and we pulled up a ton of clusters. We're able to propagate, we're able to grow our own. This little bed right here is a perfect example. We will be able to pull all of these little clusters apart, and then we've got ourselves all these individual onions that we can lay right down in this bed here. Very, very simple work. These are a super easy plant to grow. Anybody can be propagating these. They're very simple and you can continually harvest from them. So we're gonna have these inside the greenhouse. We're gonna kind of just backfill all this, and then we'll flip them and we'll press some soil on the back side underneath. And then all of these will stand up on their own. They may look like they're laying down right now because they've just been planted, but they will definitely stand up, perk up, and they will start to flourish in here. So we'll have good onions all winter. We may cover this bed with a tunnel and blow air through it. We're not sure yet. We're still in the planning phases of all of our winter stuff. So since we had such a nice, beautiful day, it's been a nice day for filming and getting work done. So we wanted to share this with everybody. We've got this little bed. You can see all of these onions. Very, very simple. They smell amazing. I love the smell of onions. The sulfur smell of them really deters those pests. So putting these in place is going to help all of our 7 top turnips and everything else down this bed, and all of the potatoes that are going to start coming up also. So we're going to have a good layer of pest protection inside of the same tunnel that these potatoes would potentially be in. So we're coming back through with our hoops out here. We've got all of these hoops that we're going to be setting up right here and placing them in all of the rows. We've got all of our plastics we've got cleaned off and ready to go. So we'll be placing all the tunnels over all this after we clear the rest of the tomatoes and summer crops out and we get all of our winter stuff planted. So that is another video coming, so stay tuned for that. And if anybody has any questions on these Egyptian onions, definitely drop them in the comments below. We've been experimenting with them for a few years now and we absolutely love them. I would recommend them to anybody, and we sell a ton of them at the market. I'd really like to thank all the new subscribers, old subscribers, everybody. Thank you guys for watching these videos.